So, DUJUAN Richards making moves and have the internet in a frenzy. What I mean, one GLE and the place turned upside down. Quite an interesting one. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. One thing we know, every time I make a video surrounding any player from the Butler camp, you have thousands of people run out. Know what I mean? In defense, and also you have a few in attack. But for some reason, there's always some issues or something controversial. One, for me personally, a man who works has the right to spend his money anywhere he feel. I have bigger worries than DUJUAN Richards buying the next vehicle. I have bigger worries. Surrounding same DUJUAN Richards, I'm going to speak about that at the end of the video. So probably if you want to stick around, no problem at all. Because it's very, very, extremely concerning. Now, recently, a whole articles, I see a pop up and say, boy, he buy a new vehicle. You see a lot of comments that said, he might work hard, the money he might get, he totally deserve to spend it as how he feel. And personally, I don't think nothing is wrong with that. Me really fast with sugar. And like me get a piece of money in my hand. Me just go buy one pour. Go buy one pour and drink it. So in some sense, I would feel like I might like get away that from my absence from sugar. So I'm going to come in out fast with sugar. But nevertheless, now I'm not going to do this. Really and truly, if I'm being honest, as I mentioned earlier, he must spend the money, must work hard, must spend the money, must get his money, that's his money, spend it to him feel like. For me personally, and the thing is, you know, whenever you discuss a topic like this and you say anything against the grain, the term bad mind pop up. Jamaicans are going to say your bad mind or your bad mind, the player your bad mind, this your bad mind, that. We love to say that. That's the easiest thing for we jump to. For me personally, young youth, turning 19 years of age, I think he's turning 19? Turning 19 years of age. I do think this is not the right time to start doing some investment. You're holding on to a good amount of money. If you have the right persons around you, you can invest that money in good sense. Nevertheless, in the event, I'm still going to need a vehicle to drive around, and nothing's wrong in getting a really good vehicle where now if you worry about 2-3 years from now. One good vehicle now, nice, flashy, nothing wrong with that. I have something to be mobile about. So, for me personally, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. I'm just hoping that the other aspect of his finances are well taken care of, where investments are concerned, because he has to protect his future financially. I must say, has a young youth on the way, having family to look after now. So once he put that part in place, I have no problem if he decide, you know what, here. And also, he could go so boom, sort out an apartment, a bossy apartment as well for him family, something like that. But I'm a little bit worried also based off of some of the reports, like people have said, boy, everything that he owns goes to his manager. I'm a bit how should I say now, concerned about that, if that is actually true. But nonetheless, we must spend the money. Not me personally, I never have a problem with that. I'm just hopefully that the other part of his money is being handled where he might deal with in finances, or putting in an investment, or putting in some real good properties, turn over some business. Just if that's not the case, maybe he needs some really good persons or people around him who can help him, guide him financially. Because any amount of money you have now, if not treated or cared for properly, it'll go away. And it won't last forever. Nothing really lasts forever except salvation. All right, now let's get to my more serious concern. If you reach to this part of the video, I would really, really appreciate it if you just take a couple seconds to hit that like button. I would really, really appreciate it if you do so. This is now the serious part and a little bit concerning. This time last year, DUJUAN Richards, I would say, would have been on pre-season tour with Chelsea. This time last year. Remember he went into the Americas and in America and they were on pre-season and he was training with the team. The question now is, should we be concerned that he's not with the team at this present moment? That is where the real concern is at, right? Where the real concern. So this vehicle thing, nobody can buy a vehicle. Once I have the money to do so, right now, I'm going to upgrade my vehicle. I mean, I have the money for it yet, so so why not? Why not? If I have the money, I upgrade my vehicle. Well, so anybody can do that. That's a general aspect of life we live in. We can upgrade, we can get this or that right. Now, as I said, the big concern is why isn't he with the Chelsea team in pre-season? That's my concern. Will we see him make a move to first team football anytime soon, or will he be going back to the Chelsea U21 team? And in my view, that, as I said, is where my concern really lies. One, I think the time is now for him to be playing some big man football. And if he's going to go to Chelsea back in this summer, it'll be very, very important for him to be playing big man football coming the start of this whatever league season it is. So a loan option, I think, would be a very good move. I really personally don't want to see him going back to play U21. I really don't want to see that. Probably go down in a Belgium league, go on team down there, or on a team in a French division. We know that the owner of Chelsea has a team in the French division. Go down there, make him go play some big man football, get that experience. I know a lot of persons say, boy, he's not supposed to leave Chelsea, but I really, really want you guys to look at the players that Chelsea are bringing through to them first team aren't coming from the academy. They are not coming from the academy. That's the reason that Chelsea is spending so much money, because they want to bulk up the first team and then now sell on the academy players. Look how much academy players they move on right now, either on loan or they must sell them. And I would want for him to go on loan, to go and experience some big man football, perform at the highest level, even just get some weekly football, big man football, weekly football, so we can see what he's doing, and so I think in development can kind of push further. Because I do think that playing the U21s the other day, it kind of hold him back in a little sense. People might disagree with me. For me personally, I think it kind of hold him back just a little bit. I really believe it kind of held him back a little, because I thought that he should be playing some big man football. You can see that most of the players, they're kind of bigger than the level. So, no, especially now that you have done well in the U21s, now the time for him to progress to play some big man football. So for me, I'm a little bit concerned that I don't see him with the Chelsea team. And then now there's no news or reports coming out that, maybe we'll see him making our next move. Then especially the fact that he's here in Jamaica. Because if the transfer market has opened good while now, if he's going to make a move to our next club, right? No be perfect time for him to be in pre-season with that particular club. And also when you look at it, next month the new season will start. August the new season will start. We're literally 3 to 4 weeks away from the start of the new season. When will he start the preparation for the new season, work on fitness and all these things? So that, in my view, is much of a bigger concern than him upgrading a vehicle. Nothing's wrong with upgrading a vehicle, not at all. When he come to Jamaica, he needs to be mobile, he can drive around, such and such. But I'm a little bit concerned surrounding that. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom. As them say, 4-4 kick like whisper.